Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Alicia and today we are going to talk about how to sell your clothes online. We are going to talk about how to sell your clothes the best way possible and to get the most money for your item. And this is a great how-to for if you're reselling your clothes or if you're thrift shopping or you're doing this professionally. Hopefully I can give you guys some tips and help you sell your items faster. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. I do a variety of videos on fashion, how-tos, luxury tips and tricks. If you are interested, please click on the subscribe below and give me a thumbs up. If you're an existing subscriber already, hi, welcome back. I hope you enjoy my latest video today, talking to you guys about how to sell clothes online and how I do it and how we can get this done and sell your items faster. So if you are new to my channel, if you don't know already, I do resell items quite frequently. I even go and thrift shop to find items that I can resell at a higher price and make money. So I do make quite a bit of money doing it this way. So this method can actually apply to anything you're selling online, be it a book, furniture, a car, but I'm going to keep it with clothing because that is what my channel is about, and I want to teach you guys how to be able to sell your items online. So once you've got your item, whether you're reselling a piece of clothing or you have purchased something at a thrift shop and you want to try and see if you can make some extra money, the first thing to do is to get a good photo. Now this is key. When you are reselling something online, you want to make sure that your image is eye-catching, it's clear, it is available to see, so you always want to make sure that you click display photo. Sometimes it may be an additional fee to do so, but that will increase your chances of reselling that item faster. So for example, I'm going to use this t-shirt. So I have taken a photo that I would not recommend using. Now this is just the shirt crinkled, it is on the ground, you can't fully see the quality of the shirt and what the shirt is. So what I'd suggest is ironing whatever it is. If it's a, if you're selling a piece of clothing, ironing it out. If it's shoes, give it a clean and take a nice photo. So you want to place it so it's in the light, it's in a nice spot, and it is attractive for the viewer to want to click on and find out more about this product you are selling. Once you've got your photo and you're happy with it, research the item and try and find a photo of it try and find a photo of the item originally, be it from the website it was originally purchased from. Google images, do whatever you can to try and find an image that is of this shirt, brand new. This is also a good way for the description to find out more on the shirt, so we'll talk about that shortly. But yes, find a good photo of the item and put that in there as well. You want to either have the photo of the item or the photo of it on somebody as the main photo on your listing. So second part is your description. You need to make sure that your description is good because the keywords in your description will determine how people find your item that you're selling. So if, for example, we'll use this, we're going to be selling a Gucci t-shirt. We want to know the name of this t-shirt. So for example, we'll use this t-shirt that I'm selling. You want to just Google something generic that is the item, so Gucci t-shirt. You want to go through and find that t-shirt on the website. If it's not that easy and available, go through Google Images until you find the item that is yours. Click on it and hopefully it'll give you a link to a website which will then tell you the name of the shirt, the material used in it, or if you're doing shoes, like you can find out the exact name of the shoe, the exact materials that are used to make this item, and you can add that into the description. I also recommend putting in the description where you can purchase this item from. So for example, with this Gucci t-shirt, you can purchase it from the Gucci store, you can get it from Farfetch, you can get it from Net-a-Porter, you can get it from Match Fashion, I think that's how you say it. So you want to put in all the stores, Nordstrom, the list goes on. If you are selling an item, you want to be able to put in the description all the stores that this shirt is available at, because if someone searches Nordstrom in the eBay search, because you've got Nordstrom in your description, it will then pull your item onto that search. So if that person isn't even looking for a Gucci t-shirt and they're looking for something generic under that company, your shirt will be in there, will be in the search, depending on how much information they've put in the search. You also want to put in the quality. If you've worn the item, let's say you've worn the item 10 times, just say you've worn it a handful amount of times. And also you want to describe the quality of the item, You also want to describe the materials. Like I said, if you can Google search the item and find out as much information about the product and chuck that in the description, you can never have too much in your description. You could also put in there other listings. So if you were selling other items, you could put also selling, these are my listings, and then put the names of them in there. It's a little bit cheeky, but if you're selling a t-shirt from, let's say, Zimmerman, if you put selling a t-shirt from Zimmerman, when that person searches Zimmerman, your Gucci t-shirt will possibly pop up because of the fact that you've put that keyword in the description. So it is all about keywords when it comes to reselling items online. You also want to research the price. So once you've figured out the name of your product, or if you've gotten something that's very similar by the same brand but you can't find your product specifically, it's always good to research the retail price. So for example, this t-shirt retails for $750 New Zealand. So what I would do is put that retail price in there and then go against the quality of the shirt and divvy out a price. So for example, let's say I'd like to resell it for $600 because it is in mint condition, it's barely been worn. I'll have that as my listing price. Another sneaky trick is offer free shipping. So by offering free shipping, it makes the person who's purchasing it thinking that they're getting a deal, they're getting a bargain, they're not having to pay for shipping. You just want to make sure that you include the shipping in the cost of the product, so you're actually not losing out. It is in the price, in the cost of the item. Now, you may want to put some disclosures in there saying free shipping within your country, because once you start going international, it does cost quite a lot of money to ship those items. So you could have in there free shipping within the US or within New Zealand, within Australia, and then additional you have to pay for shipping if it's international, and most people will understand that. But it will also help for anyone who's in your country looking at that item and seeing that there's free shipping. It's going to make them go, okay, I'm getting a deal. So definitely always include the shipping in the price so you can then offer them free shipping. So there's so many ways that you can resell your item online. You can do it through so many different resell applications and websites. For example, like there's eBay, there's resell, I think it's how I don't know. There's also like Facebook Market. In New Zealand, we've got Trade Me and Designer Wardrobe. So what I would do is I put the item on eBay and then I'd literally just copy and paste everything I've done, and I'd also put it on my local apps like Trade Me and Designer Wardrobe, just so I've got a bit more reach, because not everyone uses eBay. So depending on where you are in the world, if there is a country kind of resell application or website, I'd recommend putting it on there as well as eBay, just so you're getting as much reach as possible, and this will allow you to sell your item faster. So these are my top tips on how to sell your clothes, and this will help you get the most reach and hopefully the quickest sale by doing these things. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it has, please give me a subscribe and a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya!